I created a new, simple single screen application. Um, I wanted to do it with you. I want to just calculate grade. I usually like to do a simple calculate grade. So let's do it together. I'm going to do label 1 for grade 1, another one for grade 2, and let's do a label for the result. This one will say result, and then we'll have a label where the result will get stored. Keep it label for now. Let's have a button for submit. Okay. Now we're gonna have text field to enter. So here you enter grade 1. Here we enter grade 2. Let's submit the button. It's not so nice, but just a fast example to show you, and our result. All right, so this is my fast example. Now let's do some code. So I wanted to show you different ways to do it. This way maybe even be easier than the way I showed you in class. So let's go here. If I go here, then one of the options I have is that I can display it on the right. So I can see, let me hide this. I can see the code, and let's hide this here. Let me make this bigger. So I'm trying to, here. So here it is. So you can see the code and the storyboard, you can see them together on the same time. And then we did it, instead of writing it directly outlets and like we did, you can also do it this way. I'm gonna do the, here, control click, and dragging it here in an outlet, and this outlet is gonna be called grade 1, and you can see then it writes it for me, so I don't have to remember exactly how to write it. So I'm going to do it again. Grade 2. Okay, so I have my two text fields that I'm going to need. I'm going to need to know what was entered into them. Then the submit button. So this was an action. Again, I'm going to control drag like we did the control drag thing. And I'm going to change this to an action. And the action, I'm going to call it calculate grade. So now I have my method. What's it going to do? We need to get the information. Oh, the label. We're going to need this also. Here we are. This one is going to be called result. Okay. So now I have everything. Now what do we want to do? We need to get grade 1 and grade 2. So let's put it, I'm going to call it first grade equal to, I'm going to convert it to a double. This is because it's going to be a string. So grade 1, that text text, and I have to unwrap it. I'm going to have to unwrap each of them. Second grade equal double grade 2. I'm going to get the grade, the text from that text field. What errors do I have? Warning. Never used. Okay, it's because I haven't gotten it to it yet. All right, let's do it. And I'm going to make a result. Let average grade equal to first grade plus the second grade divided by 2 with parentheses, of course. All right, now I don't have that warning. The warning was that I didn't use it. I didn't use it because I didn't get to it yet. Okay, now I want to put that result that I just did. I computed the average. I took the grades and converted them to doubles. Now I want to put it into the result. So result.text equals average grade. but I have to convert it to a string because this is going to be a double. All right, did I do this correctly? Let's find out. There's a little error. Oh, right, I have to unwrap each of these. I think I have it here. Now let's see if there's any errors. Okay, so now let me save this and let's try to run this. Okay, let's see if this worked or if I forgot something. All right, grade 1. I got 100, but on my second exam, I only got an 80. Hey, very nice, that worked. So you can see in my little fast example, I got 180, and of course, it changed it to 90. But we could make this look a little nicer, but this is just a very quick example.